Hey everybody, this is Sue Craig, your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the United States, and today I want to show you how to make a cute Easter basket. Actually, it can be a basket for any occasion. You can put little candies in or any kind of small gifts and give to your friends. Let me show you what we're going to need for this. First of all, you're going to need a 6x6 piece of Designer Series paper that is double-sided. You will need the same designer paper, 1/2 by 6 and 3/4 by 6. These two pieces will go together to be the handle. You're also going to need a corner rounder, some adhesive, I'm using glue, and some paper snips. The first thing we're going to do with our 6x6 piece of paper is we're going to score it at the 2-inch mark all the way around. So each side is going to be scored, and we're going to move that cutting blade out of the way, and we'll just keep turning this around so that it's scored at 2 inches. This is really a quick and easy gift to make for somebody, and it doesn't take many supplies. Let's get this out of here. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to fold these. I guess we're going to need a bone folder. All right, let's use our bone folder, and we're going to fold on these lines that we have scored. And as you do this, you'll notice that when we finish here, we're going to end up with 9 squares or 9 boxes. What we're going to do next is we're going to take our paper snips and we are going to cut I'm going to take my paper now, and I've started to cut, and what you'll notice is I've cut from the bottom up to the first score line. I'm going to do the same thing here from the bottom to that score line. Now I'm going to turn it completely 180 degrees, so now it's opposite me what I have cut, and I'm going to cut again from the edge to the score line. Quick and easy. What we want to do next is we want to round these corners . There we go. With our corners rounded, we're ready now to do the gluing. We're going to make sure that this center square goes in a little bit because we're going to put glue, and I suggest using glue on these straight pointed corners here. And the idea is we're going to bring these two side pieces in so that we get a triangle that goes and points to the center here, and that this top edge right here is covered by our pieces of paper. You can practice this before you get your adhesive on it if you like. Okay, you can see right now that I still have this showing. So I want to bring these pieces in, and I also want to be able to make sure that my pieces have a triangle, and here's the point of the triangle. And we don't see above that V now. Let's do that again. We're going to put that piece in for now. Let's put a little bit of adhesive on the inside here and the inside here. Bring these up. And again, we want to make sure that this top edge here is not showing. Here's our basket so far. You can also, instead of adding the handle to it, you can leave it like this if you like, and you can put different things in that you have on your desk. Like typically I have pieces of paper and stuff, and more than likely it'll get lost or on the floor or whatever. But this is a cute little container you could make. I saw online that somebody put 3 of these together and made a little set of baskets for their desk. She glued them together and then sat them here, and as she worked, she filled them with the different things she needed, or as she cut things, she put them in here so she knew where they would be. All right. To make the handle, we're going to take the 3/4 inch piece and the 1/2 inch piece. Let's put some adhesive on the back of the 1/2 inch piece, and then we're going to turn this over, center it on this end, and then take it to this end. This is pretty straight right now, and what we want to do is have it have some give. So we're going to use our bone folder, and just gently we're going to, like we do when we curl ribbon, we just want to bend it a little bit so that when we are putting the handle on this, it'll be a little bit easier. What I do is put it on the outside, but you don't have to do that. If you want to put it on the inside, you can. I have also had the idea of tucking it underneath this piece here so that it's inside, but you don't see it attached. We could do that. So let's try that. I'm going to put some adhesive on the bottom of this, and just, do you see how I'm moving this piece up a little bit? I'm just going to set that in there just below the V and make sure that it's straight. Hold it for a minute. Put a little bit of glue on the other handle. Okay, inside the basket, you're going to move this piece of paper out just a little bit and line your handle up again so it's straight. Hold on it for a minute, and there you are. Well, I hope you liked this basket project, and I hope you give it a try. And thanks for watching.